Hello guys, welcome back to our another video. This is your Preet. Guys, in this video we are going to customize Jnews theme with WP Bakery page builder. As in last video, if you not see my last video of Jnews theme, you can watch that video, link in description. In that video we customized Jnews theme with Elementor, but in this video we are going to add it with the WP Bakery page builder, which is nice builder as well. And I will go through step by step. We will customize the front page first. Okay, so for that we have multiple option. If you have a login your WordPress in same browser, you will see added with WP bakery page builder option in when you open your website into new tab. You will see this option, but if you not see this option, you have to go to pages, click all pages, and you will see your front page. As in my case, we have a home one is my front page, and when you scroll your mouse here in the pages, you will see added with WP bakery page builder. Let me open this into new tab. So we will start customize our front page with WP bakery page builder, which is nice page builder. This is very similar to Elementor, but some people they want this editor because it has bunch of other options available. Okay, for the header we will make header separate and footer, and we are talking about front page from the beginning. Okay, so in the bakery page builder, for example, we want to first edit this option. You will see green bar here. Okay, and you will see pencil icon in the green bar. We will not customize the column to make the row is perfect here. We have two row. Okay, so we will go through with the green one, click edit, and you will see it will open slide 1 setting. Yeah, we will enable autoplay, so all the post will be autoplay here in the first section. Choose date and format. I will keep it default. In the content filter, which is very important, content filter, I will choose post. Yeah, content type only post. Yeah, I want to show only post here. Even you can show sponsored post. Someone sponsor any post to you, you can show a sponsor post. Okay, include into unique content group. You can play with it, you can choose. Okay, very important here, include category, which is very important. First you have to make your own category first before we choose here. Let me choose business category, fashion. So our first section will be pick all the posts from these categories and save changes. Okay, perfect. You can see we are now seeing the post in first section, and it's autoplay now. It's switching the next post here. Perfect. Let me scroll this side so we can edit this trending, comment, and latest options. Okay, when I scroll my mouse here in the trending section, you will see wizard sidebar. Let me click pencil icon. Sidebar, yeah, this is the home sidebar. Perfect. And when I scroll down, I have nothing to see here. But in the trending section, once you already have some trending post, example, you create some post, when people start visiting particular post, they will go to trending section here. This section you will not see right now because this section will be enabled automatic after some days. Once people start visiting your blog, and they will see all the latest, you will see latest here, because you have already latest blog here, post here. Okay, next is popular stories. Let me add it, the green icon here with pencil icon. Okay, popular stories. Every time you select, you want to select the category, content filter, go to content filter, which is very important. Okay, here you can even display the include popular post id. How to find post id? For example, the post stories, you want to display particular post, and some two or three posts which is very popular you want to display. How you display them? First of all, we will go to post, all post. In the all post section, let me screen option, expand the screen option. If I can find the post id. Okay, let me quick edit. Okay, let me open any post here. Let me edit any post here. When you edit any post here, you will see post 49 in the address bar. In the upper bar, you will see the post id number in the in the in the address bar. Okay, keep scroll. Let me scroll down here to the bottom. You also can see the post number here. I think I will also show you how to customize the single post, how you can design the single post very professional way. I will show you this later on as well. Okay, as this is post 19, let me copy post 19 here, post id 49 49, add 49, save changes. You have to include the post id here. See, we got that post here. Make sure when you want any display any post, just go to that post. You can edit it. When you edit that post, you will see in the address bar where we put google.com, that address bar, you will see the post number, that number you put here. Okay, perfect. Let's go to next option. What we have, features stories. Let's click edit, pencil icon here, green. Okay, we will edit now the feature story. The feature story, I don't want to show this feature stories because I have blog or tech related. So what I will do here, I will name it tech technology, tech stories. You will see the title, just change the title here. Okay, and in the stories tech, I will keep stories, that's okay. Keep scroll down. Even you can choose header type, the design of this module. Let me make it smaller. Okay, let me show you what I mean. Let me save changes, and this will be changed. Okay, you see text stories. Okay, text stories. Let me content filter. Let me include category. Let me include a category. Okay, so we will see the post here. Okay, perfect. Okay, now I add it again. When I click edit, I will scroll down. You will see header type. Let me try to choose other style of post. Click save changes. You can play with it. You can choose what style you want. Style number 3, style number 9. Okay, this is style, looks good. Style number 9. Here in every time you want to select the category of particular section, just go to content filter. Every time content filter, scroll down and you will see the category, include category option, or post id, as I teach you post id. But I will recommend choose the category, that particular category. As this module I have display tech related blogs, just choose technology category here. Perfect. Okay, here in the science I have no any category related science. I will edit it. Okay, I will name it example. Let me go to content filter first. Let me see my category. What other category? Entertainment. Okay, I will also in the header section I will change the title to entertainment. Entertainment. Perfect. Save changes, and we will display the entertainment section here. You can see all posts now related to entertainment start showing because we choose the category entertainment here. Scroll down, business section. Another one, I have no any business related. Let me check. Every time you want to check your category, go to content filter where we choose category. You can check when you click here in the include category, just check your category and you can display module according that. For example, lifestyle, I choose lifestyle category. In the header section I choose name lifestyle as well. Lifestyle. Okay, perfect. Save changes. Now we will see lifestyle related post here. Keep scroll down, the advertisement. Some people confuse here. Let me edit ad block here. Okay, scroll down. When you scroll down you will see the option. Let me open this one. Okay, perfect. Here in the ad type choose Google ad. Okay, Google ad, Google ad publisher ID, put your publisher ID and scroll down, or you can do one thing here, choose script code. Just put your ad script code here. Okay, when you put your script code here, Google script code, save changes, your ad will be start showing here. Do not need to do anything. Okay, let's keep scroll down. Techno, let's go to edit techno. I have no any techno category. Let me scroll down, choose first category, include category. I will display gadget. Okay, I will go back to header and I will title name it gadget. Gadgets, sorry, gadgets. Okay, save changes. Now gadget or related all posts start showing here. Okay, perfect. That's why I like WP clip. It's very fast. You can do things very fastly. Similar to politics. And choose the category first in content filter. Scroll down, include category. I will include news. Okay, I will give it name title. I will change politics to news. Perfect. News. Save changes. Okay, just wait for it, it will change. Perfect. Keep scroll down. This section you can display the videos. If you have YouTube videos or other videos, if you don't want videos, just go ahead publish your post here. For example, here gaming section, you can choose the category same here. Go to content filter, just choose your category here. Include category. I will include this category, the science. Okay, I will go to hero setting, scroll down. Okay, save changes. Just choose the category in content filter and we will start seeing science related post here. But I will recommend firstly, these all category are comes with demo content. First go to WordPress and post, click the categories. First make your own category. First I recommend you, before you start editing, make your own category. So simply you can choose your category in the front page. Very simple way. First I recommend choose make your own category and make your own some post like 10, 15, 20 post. Write post 2 to 3 post on every category. So once you write post 2 to 3 post under each category, and keep edit it. So when you edit it, it will if you already have category post, those will be start showing here. But if you not yet have post, nothing will be show here. Keep in mind. So first I recommend keep, you can delete all this demo content to avoid copyright. Just write your own content under those categories. First make categories, and then write your own post under that category. That will be perfect way, and keep edit it. Okay, this is the similar way. Click add block, choose script code. In the add type, choose script code. Okay, provide the Google script code, and this image, add image, will automatically removed, and it was here it will start showing your Google ad. Okay, stay connected. This section, let me check this section. Okay, stay connected, we will edit different in the dashboard. Let me check where we can Jnews dashboard. Okay, stay connected, we will edit this in the dashboard later on. I will show you how to edit this. Okay, this is the latest post section. Let me delete this one. Okay, perfect. We have all everything under here, so we don't need this section. Okay, you don't need to do anything here. Okay, update. This is the keep update every time. Okay, because the footer and the header we will separate, do it in next video. You can find a description, a link in descriptions, where we will customize the front page. Okay, let me try to open now. Check our website if everything looks good. Yeah, perfect. We have politics section and autoplay. It will autoplay all the post. Keep scroll down. Yeah, gaming, news, and the science section. Everything is looks good. Okay, let me first click on customize. Let me choose my front page first, which is very important. Home page setting. Yeah, post page. Make your post page here. If you not have, you will not find in demo content. Your post page. Add new page, name it blog. Perfect. And save changes. Publish. Okay. Yeah, perfect. This is nice. And now when you click now home page, everything will be looks perfect. Let me click front page. Okay, let me scroll down, and you will see everything looks good. Perfect. Okay, some of the option we can see here. If we have, yeah, it's perfect. For WP Bakery page builder, front page edit. Okay, in next video we will do the header and footer with the WP page bakery page builder. This is very nice page builder, and this is very easy as well. The section here, trending, comments, latest, will be automatic start showing here when people start visiting your blogs. All the post, what post most people visit, they will see in trending section. No need to worry about it. Okay, so I hope you like this video. In next part 2 of Jnews, you can find link in description where we will edit header and footer sections. Okay, I really appreciate your support. Please keep subscribe, like, and share my videos with your friends. Thank you so much.